money move would be to put this slide on one of our frames. So first impressions on this, I like what they've done with the actual unit itself. This is the most exciting thing about this. First thing I'd like to do is confirm 0. Oh, I do like the buttons. It's a very satisfying click on the buttons. That's pretty zeroed. So running out to 30 feet, I like the 30-foot zero. That's just my preference. All right, so we're giving everybody 6, so I'm just gonna shoot 6. Yeah, that'll do. That dot streak's really nice. I got more. The buttons are real nice. So being able to hit that light on the floor, that's really neat. I like it. I think it's good.
All right, we're ready to roll? That's nice. I jumped it a little bit, but I like it. Thumbs up for me. Aimpoint. Reduced housing, closed emitter. I'm digging it.
Oh, dude. Okay, I mean, best part about it is that there's so much less housing, so the dot is a lot more visible coming back and forth. So it's rad, dude. This is probably the coolest optic we've seen in a while, in my opinion. I am a big fan.
Okay, so the Aimpoint COA is a hit. I like this thing quite a bit. I'm a big fan of what they've done to the viewing window on the inside. It's a little bit more clear. And the cool thing is the actual housing itself is a little bit thinner. And ironically enough, one of my favorite features on it is the buttons. I like how the buttons function. I like that there's a lockout on the buttons that is temporary, but it just kind of helps combat accidental button presses. But I enjoyed shooting it. It streaked well under motion, which is really important to me. Nothing turns me off on a dot more than when it starts moving and I can see the flicker or the refresh rate inside the dot. And like an Aimpoint, you're not going to get that. So I'll be excited to see where this goes. I think that these are going to do well. And on the weapon light, the new GTL 2, I like the button. The button's really nice. I was able to activate it in motion, and it's a very tactile click as a sweeping motion. As I'm getting onto the trigger, you know that you hit it properly. So I think it's nice. I dig it, and I'll be excited to see them in the shop here soon. I also think that it's particularly smart of them to not try and reinvent the wheel, in that the GTL holsters are compatible with your TLR7 sub holsters, which are already out there on the market. So that's very smart of them to do. All in all, I think Glock's doing some pretty cool stuff right now, and I'm excited to see where it goes in the future. Stay tuned for more.